Struggling to get your seedlings going early or worried cold snaps will set them back? Building a simple cold frame can give your young plants a head start in our unpredictable Aussie weather. It's an easy project using materials you likely have on hand. Start by finding an old window or a clear polycarbonate sheet to use as a lid. Then, gather 4 timber planks or bricks to create a box slightly larger than your seedling trays. About 1.2 meters long and 60 centimeters wide, works well. Place this box in a sunny, sheltered spot with good drainage to avoid waterlogging. Position the lid on top, angling it slightly so rainwater runs off easily. During warm days, lift the lid to prevent overheating, and close it at night or when cold winds blow. Keep an eye out for mold or damping off caused by excess humidity. If you see condensation inside, open the frame to improve airflow. This simple setup protects seedlings from frost and wind, helping them grow stronger and ready for planting out weeks earlier. The takeaway? A cold frame is an affordable, effective way to boost seedling success right in your suburban backyard.